Look, I found Herbie. How cool's that? Hey guys, Alex here, AG Automotive, and here today we've got the 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, and this is the 1500. So let's check it out. So before we get into the video, just want to do a shout out to Central Coast Volkswagen, who were nice enough to let me have a look at this today. And if you do enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing. So at the front here, you've got a nice chrome strip there. You've got Volkswagen written up there in a nice chrome strip that runs down to the bumper. You've got nice big headlights there, the halogen headlights, along with this nice chrome bumper. And you've got the indicators on each guard as well. So what are your thoughts on the Beetle? Have you got one of these? Have you got one as a collector? Let me know in the comments. So the wheels on the Beetle are 15-inch wheels, and they're steel wheels with a chrome hubcap. And if you stand back, I think they really suit the car really nicely. And I love the yellow and the white paint job. I think it sort of suits the Beetle really nicely. You've got the aerial there, manual aerial, don't get those anymore. A nice chrome mirror, don't get many of them anymore as well. Up the top here, you got a bit of storage for suitcases, surfboards, whatever you like. And around the back here, you've got Volkswagen 1500. You've got the button to push in to open the bonnet with. You do have these nice lights on either guards, and you've got a nice big chrome bumper, a wraparound bumper, and twin exhaust. All right, let's go and have a look inside. So inside the Beetle, and first impressions is, you know what, it's not bad. For something 1969, it's actually all right. This one's had a new stereo, obviously, but and the seats have been retrimmed. But other than that, it's still in the same condition it came out of the factory in 1969. Very cool. So you do get a grab handle for the passenger there. You got your ventilation up there. I love how the color-coded doors, you know, they haven't trimmed over the color coding of the doors, and it's color-coded, not like cars today. If you took the trim off, it'd be a different color today. So obviously nothing to the right of the steering wheel. You do have wind down windows. That's something pretty cool you don't see on many cars today. Well, any at all. Steering wheel, it's huge, it's thin. I love this chrome piece there for the horn. I think that's a cool feature. Now behind the steering wheel there, you've got your key to start the car with, and then you've got on the dash there. So this is in miles an hour, so that's pretty cool. 90 is the top there, so that's awesome. It's done 36,000 miles. Now you do have a Kenwood stereo. This has obviously been updated so that the owners can enjoy the tunes still, which is nice. And you get things like your wiper controls there, you got your headlight controls. You do have a ashtray as well in there, that's pretty cool. You also do get a glove box, and it's actually a reasonably sized glove box. I like that, that's pretty cool. And there's a lever in there for the front trunk or the frunk. Further down, your gear stick there, 4-speed. You've got your handbrake here. And the seats have been retrimmed, and I do like them. They're actually not too bad. They don't hold you in, but it's not the point of the vehicle. The point of the vehicle is to get you from A to B. All right, let's go and have a look in the back. So in the back of the Beetle, and first impressions, you know what? It's actually quite spacious in the back here for me, and I'm no small fry. Now I'm 6'1", 185 centimeters. I've got bit of headroom there, which is great. Knee room, on the other hand, is not very good because my knees are where the back of the seat would be, and leg room and foot room isn't all that great either. But you know what, width room, it's really, really good. Now, For the rear passengers, there's not really many creature comforts back then in 1969. You do have an ashtray on this side. That's about all you get. You do get grab handles on either side as well. All right, let's go and have a look in the back. So in the front trunk or frunk of the Beetle, so you've got your spare wheel down there at the front tucked away. You've got a little bit of storage behind it, and you've got your washer bottle you can see there. All right, let's go and have a look under the bonnet. So under the bonnet of the Beetle, so here we have a 1.5 litre air-cooled engine that produces around about 44 horsepower. It did when it was new, around about 32 kilowatts. And that's mated to a 4-speed manual transmission driving the rear wheels. All right, let's go for a drive. So driving the 69 Volkswagen Beetle. I've never driven one and I'm really excited to have a drive of this. So vision out the front's really good straight ahead and towards the passenger side as the screen is really close. Rear vision looks not the greatest, bit of width but not very deep. And there's no safety features at all. Now vision out the sides is pretty good all the way to the back, and the mirrors, you know what, a little bit small but they actually are okay. You are able to see out of them okay. Now we're just going to see how the Beetle goes on a bumpier stretch of road, being how old it is. It's actually soaking up some of the bumps. The bigger ones you can feel a bit more, but you know what, for its age it's doing well. And road noise, well yeah, there's a bit of a bit of engine noise from the air-cooled engine, but you expect that from something from 1969. And road noise, well, you can't really hear much road noise because all you can hear is the motor. Steering, yeah, it's reasonably light steering, which is good. So what's the acceleration like from the Beetle? It wasn't really designed for speed, it was designed to get people from A to B. Well, let's see how we go anyway. Well, I'm pleased to say that it actually gets up and goes for something at this age. It actually still goes all right, the old girl. So quite impressed with it actually, all around. All right guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. See you, Herbie.